Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you how to delete Gmail or phone number from Facebook. Friends, do not forget to put your likes under the video. Also write your comments. And be sure to subscribe to this channel. So let's get to our topic today. And first, you'll need to open the Facebook app on your device. Then from the main newsfeed on Facebook, you'll need to tap on the word menu at the bottom on the right-hand side. And then at the top right, click on the gear to go to Settings and Privacy. And here you'll need to go to the Meta Account Center. It's this top square right here, and click right here on the blue line to go to Meta Account Center. Next, friends, you'll need to click on the Personal Details option. And now Contact Information. This is where you will find all your Gmail, mail, or phone numbers that are linked to your Facebook page. In order to delete a Gmail, you will have to open it. That is, click on any Gmail. After that, friends, you will also be shown all your accounts and pages that this Gmail is tied to. And at the bottom, you will find the option Delete Email. Click on it, and then you will have to confirm your action. And this Gmail email will be deleted. It is the same with the phone number. You will just need to go to it. At the bottom, click on Delete Number and confirm your action. And let's say, after you delete your unwanted Gmail or phone number, if you, let's say, want to add a new email or number, it's also very easy to do. To do this, you'll need to click Add New Contact at the bottom. Here you can choose exactly what you want to add, what you want to link to your Facebook account. And from there, just follow the instructions. Friends, this is how you can easily delete your Gmail account or your phone number from Facebook. I really hope that this video helped you and was useful. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and be sure to put your likes and also write your comments. Take care.